Discover the fascinating journey of how blackberries are produced in large factory settings, where modern technology meets traditional care. From careful harvesting to precise sorting and advanced packaging, each step is designed to ensure the highest quality berries. So, how do they do it? Harvesting blackberries is a meticulous process that blends human expertise with mechanical efficiency to ensure the fruit's quality is preserved from field to processing facility. The timing of the harvest is critical, as blackberries are typically picked when they reach full ripeness, exhibiting their deepest color and sweetest flavor. The combination of mechanical harvesters and skilled workers allows for an efficient yet gentle approach to collecting these delicate fruits. In larger operations, mechanical harvesters are employed to cover extensive fields quickly. These machines are carefully designed to handle blackberries with care. They work by gently shaking the bushes, causing the ripe berries to fall into collection trays below. To avoid bruising the fruit, the machines are calibrated to apply just the right amount of force, ensuring that only the fully ripened berries are collected, while the unripe ones remain on the bush to continue developing. Alongside the machines, workers play an essential role in overseeing the harvest process. They monitor the equipment's operation, making adjustments as needed, and often assist in areas where manual intervention is necessary. This human involvement is particularly important when handling more delicate sections of the field, or when making on-the-spot decisions about berry quality. Once the blackberries are harvested, they are immediately placed into shallow containers designed to prevent the berries from being crushed under their own weight. Speed is of the essence at this stage. The harvested berries are quickly transported to the processing facility to maintain their freshness and quality. This combination of mechanical precision and human care ensures that the blackberries remain in optimal condition as they move on to the next steps in their journey from the field to the consumer's table. When blackberries arrive at the processing facility, their journey toward becoming a final product begins with sorting and grading, followed by cleaning and drying. This critical phase ensures that only the finest berries move forward in the production line, guaranteeing high quality for consumers. The process starts with the blackberries being carefully placed on conveyor belts, where they undergo a thorough initial inspection. Both human workers and advanced automated systems are involved in this inspection, removing any damaged, underripe, or overripe berries, as well as any debris like leaves, stems, or foreign objects. This initial sorting is essential for eliminating any imperfections that could affect the quality of the final product. Once the obvious defects are removed, the blackberries proceed to the next level of sorting, where they are separated based on size, color, and firmness. This step is carried out by sophisticated sorting machines equipped with sensors that can quickly and accurately assess each berry's attributes. These machines are capable of handling large quantities of berries, ensuring that the sorting process is both efficient and effective. The size of the berries is important because it determines their use. For example, larger berries might be preferred for fresh market sales, while smaller ones might be directed toward processing into jams or purees. Color is another key factor, as it is closely tied to the ripeness and visual appeal of the berries. Only those with a deep, rich hue associated with perfectly ripened blackberries are allowed to continue through the line. Firmness is also assessed, as it impacts the berry's shelf life and ability to withstand transportation without damage. Berries that are too soft may spoil more quickly, while those that are too firm may not have the desired juicy texture. After the sorting process, the berries move on to grading. Grading is the final classification step, where the berries are categorized according to their overall quality. This step is crucial for ensuring consistency across the product line, whether the blackberries are destined for fresh consumption, freezing, or further processing. The grading criteria are designed to meet consumer expectations for flavor, appearance, and texture, ensuring that each package of blackberries delivers a satisfying experience. High-grade berries, which meet all the strict quality standards, are typically reserved for the fresh market, where appearance and taste are paramount. These berries are what consumers see on grocery store shelves, promising the best in flavor and quality. Berries that may not meet the highest visual standards but are still flavorful and nutritious are often directed to freezing or processing facilities. Here, they can be used to create a variety of blackberry-based products, such as jams, jellies, or purees, where appearance is less critical than taste and nutritional content. Following the sorting and grading process, the blackberries move to the cleaning and drying line. Here, they are gently washed with clean, cool water to remove any remaining dirt or residues. This washing process is essential to ensure that the blackberries are free from any contaminants that may have been missed during the initial inspection. After washing, the berries are carefully dried using air or soft rollers, which helps prevent moisture buildup that could lead to mold or spoilage. The drying process is gentle to preserve the berries' delicate structure, while effectively removing excess water. This combination of sorting, grading, cleaning, and drying ensures that the blackberries are in optimal condition as they move forward to the packaging stage, where their freshness and quality are maintained until they reach the consumer. In this stage, blackberries move along a conveyor belt, where they are gently dropped into carton boxes lined with plastic protection bags. Employees carefully weigh the correct amount of blackberries on a scale, ensuring that each box is filled to the precise weight. Once the right amount is measured, the plastic bags are sealed to keep the blackberries fresh and prevent contamination. The carton boxes are then labeled with important details, such as the packing date and variety. After packaging is complete, the blackberries are ready for shipping, ensuring they reach consumers in optimal condition. Once blackberries are meticulously packaged, the journey to the consumer begins with a well-coordinated shipping and distribution process. Inside a bustling factory, the focus shifts to efficiently managing and processing orders, which often come in via telephone or email from various retailers and distribution centers across the country. The process begins with the factory's logistics team, who handle each order with precision. Orders are received, recorded, and carefully scheduled for dispatch. Every detail is checked to ensure that the correct quantity and packaging specifications are met. The blackberries, now packed and ready, are moved to the shipping area where they are organized according to their destination. The next step involves the careful handling of the berries to maintain their freshness. The factory uses temperature-controlled environments to ensure that the blackberries remain cool throughout the entire shipping process. Refrigerated trucks, which are essential for preserving the berries' delicate texture and flavor, are prepared for loading. The blackberries are swiftly but carefully loaded onto these trucks, ensuring that they are not exposed to any unnecessary temperature fluctuations. Partnering with a reliable carrier like UPS, the factory ensures that each shipment is handled with care. UPS trucks, equipped with advanced refrigeration technology, pick up the orders directly from the factory. These trucks then transport the blackberries to distribution centers nationwide, where they are temporarily stored in cold storage facilities. These centers serve as crucial hubs in the distribution network, managing the final leg of the journey to various grocery stores, farmers markets, and other retail outlets. The entire process is designed to be seamless, from receiving the order to delivering the blackberries to their final destination. By maintaining strict temperature controls and efficient logistics, the factory ensures the consumers receive blackberries that are as fresh and flavorful as when they were first picked. After careful harvesting, sorting, packaging, and shipping, blackberries reach consumers at grocery stores, farmers markets, or through online orders. Retailers display them in refrigerated sections, ensuring freshness. Whether enjoyed in recipes or on their own, these carefully handled berries deliver the sweet, tangy flavor consumers love. So there you have it, the fascinating journey from carefully harvested blackberries to the delicious fruit you enjoy. If you're interested in more captivating stories, don't miss our next video on the factory production of peaches. Another delightful fruit with a journey just as intriguing.